Hi, this is Cheryl back with you from Farmhouse Frugally, and I thought you might like me to share with you the wonderful haul that I got from Hobby Lobby. Everything fall was 90% off. I spent $25 for $250 worth of stuff, and it was so worth it. And next fall, obviously, you will see me do a whole lot with these items. These two paper mache pumpkins are quite large. They are $12.99 a piece regularly, so pretty much if I had paid for these two, everything else you see here would be free. This gorgeous wood and metal sign is regularly $9.99, which means I paid 99 cents. And this pumpkin here, oh my goodness, so squishy and soft. I love $1.50. There are 55 cents, and they are plastic with really great stems. I got a smaller green one for a little less money. That one was probably 39 cents. 40 cents. And then there were these two stuffed for 50 cents a piece, these two little burgundy stuffed pumpkins. They have a great stem and they have a couple of metal leaves on them. And so those I may just embellish the tops of, but I'm not sure. Really sweet. Then I had another one of these picks because I have a basket with a few of these white ones in there. I just kind of paint over them with a little bit of baking soda and add a little antiquing wax to bring out the ribs. Then they had several little signs. I missed the big signs. I wasn't able to get any there. But this was 69 cents, 70 cents instead of $7. And this little blessed sign, I know I could probably get something like this for $1.25 at the dollar store, but at the end of the day, it was 35 cents, so well worth it. Then I had never seen this corn before, so they had red and yellow and brown corn in husks. This was regularly $10, which is absolutely crazy in my mind, but hey, it was $1 for me, so well worth $1. And then they had this bag full of plush white and green pumpkins and a bunch of pine cones all together, and I love this green color. These were originally $10, and I got two because, $1 for this whole bag was great. And then I got another one that had a gray and white check, and then a couple of, I think these were just plastic white ones. But those will definitely come in handy for, a number of crafts that I can do next year. So, and I might just give some of this away, 70 cents for that. These have a very plush feel to them, white, light brown, and dark brown, and they are like stuffed pumpkins. But adding some ribs with some twine or some yarn, 65 cents. Less than 10 cents a piece. I really liked these little wreaths or candle holders or whatever. $10, ridiculous. But for me, they're 25 cents a piece pretty much, so that was great. And then this was one of my favorite little pumpkin signs, 39 cents. But look how sweet it looks with these other two green ones. I love it. Then I got this bag of 12 plush orange pumpkins, and these are really cute. And I think that was $6.99, so 69.70 cents. And then I got two bags of these mushrooms because although they look very plastic here, I think once I put a finish on them, I can definitely make them look more like more pumpkins. I can make them look more like real mushrooms. This garland, oh my goodness, how pretty is this garland? $17. So I paid $1.70. It's huge, it's heavy, it's very pretty. And then I got a couple of these little signs. These were about 35 cents a piece, and I think I got 3 of those. And then these other two garland, honestly, I don't know if I would use them as garland, but certainly the beads and the tassels on here could be used for other crafts. And I know a bag of beads can be $10 by itself. Now this one was $10.99, so I paid basically $1.10 for all those beads. And then this one is very sweet. It not only has great tassels and again all those beads, but it has this black metal thankful for 65 cents. Absolutely love these sweet little tags. I will definitely be using those, and that was a great deal as well, a couple of cents each. And then I went into the floral section, and again, this was 90% off. I have over $100 worth of florals here, and I just can't even believe that these are $4 a piece, so I paid 40 cents and I got 4. There were 3 rust and 1 yellowish colored one, so I will definitely use those as filler in something. I mean, I couldn't get this huge thing for $1.25, and even if I did, they would nowhere near as nice. $10 each bunch, so I got 2 bunches for $2. They only had one of these beautiful sunflowers, and they were $8. And I really, really love whatever this is made out of. They look very real, and they're very high end. So instead of $8, I paid 80 cents. So this is just beautiful. Altogether, these look very gorgeous. They could make a pretty bouquet by themselves. And then they had another like yellow, almost pom-pom type thing, but it was a little more cloth, very soft, and again, very, very sweet. This bunch was $6, so I paid 60 cents for those. So already I just can't even believe how gorgeous these look together. And then I absolutely love pussy willows, and I have not seen any artificial ones near me before, so that was a great find, as well as these very pretty, I feel like these look like a crab apple, but they're more in the yellows and oranges, very delicate, very pretty, could probably be used for spring or fall. So again, you know, under $1 for each of those. The last floral was this gorgeous hydrangea. Unfortunately, they did only have one of these as well. And so I just added that because it looked so gorgeous with all of the others. And so I would love to know what you think about my $25 find. And hopefully if you have a Hobby Lobby near you, they still have this stuff on sale. I just went yesterday, so good luck with that. And I would love it if you would subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you soon. I have a couple of Trash to Treasures or thrift flips coming up, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for stopping by. Take care.